Alright tubers, this is crazy. There's a hawk flying around above me. He's squawking and carrying on, and I look up. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but there is a little itty bitty bird. You can barely see him there, harassing this hawk. I've never seen the likes of such. He just keeps diving on him. Look at that. There he comes. See him coming in. Oh, now they're out of sight. There they are again. That is wild. They've been flying around for a couple minutes now. That little bird, here they come. That little bird is hard to see. He's relentless though. That's hard to believe. But I've seen a hawk harass an eagle one day sitting in a tree. And I thought that was kind of hard to believe too, with the size difference, kind of like that little bird. You think that hawk would just grab him up and let him drop out of the sky, but who knows. Take her easy. Enjoy your day.